Scott from RV Rolling with MJ. Big news.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now.
I don't want to say anything too loud because he may hear, but we might be trading in. We're on the way to a dealership. We are supposed to be picking up our new one. I don't want to say too much because I think I'm going to break the news to MJ. So MJ, we're getting to the dealership, so get us here safely. I just want to let you know you're going to go to a better place. Hopefully you're going to make a home, a nice home for someone. Like you made our lives wonderful over the past year, but it's now time that we go our separate ways. We're taking you back to where you were born. All right, here we are, back at MJ's hospital. Come on. Going inside, see if we can make the switcheroo. Keep you posted.
They won't be in our way here, so we'll hop in, we'll let them finish up what they need to do.
Yep. Well, as I promised, we have some special news for you guys. And there's our new guy.
There's our new RV, the Coachmen
Mirada.
Yes.
It's nice.
Really nice inside.
We'll give you guys a review of it in the weeks to come. It's exciting, but yet I feel bad a little bit for MJ. MJ did us proud over the past year.
We definitely enjoyed MJ. We had a great time. We loved it so much that we decided to go a little bit bigger and some extra stuff that we don't have in this one. We decided to.
And we'll show you all that in the weeks ahead, but it's an exciting time, and we're just moments away from me taking my first A drive.
Yes, uh-oh. I'm a little nervous, I gotta say. Actually very nervous.
I got this.
And there's a Scott driving the RV for the first time, never driven a Class A. So hopefully he's okay with it. Of course I'm standing in the rain and I hear thunder, but that's the first turn. He made it. Here we are, there's our new RV. He's doing it. He's doing it. Did it. Let's hopefully we can make it home. Okay.
Easy peasy, no problems.
So far, knock on wood. I have to say that.
Okay,
Sorry.
no problems right now.
Yeah. He says, how do you feel about it? Driving.
Faster than ever, just because you don't notice it. It's so smooth.
So you like the driving better than the sea?
I do.
You say.
You
do so far?
At least I can't speak to the window. Look how
Nice, even though it's raining. Wow, look at that window view.
I'm sure we'll be able to see the ocean, the mountains.
Yeah, and we have a back window too, so if we ever have a view, you can see that too, if it's a back end.
We will show you more on our future travels as we go on our way.